All right, guys, it's May 20th, 2023, and we're gonna do our second walkthrough of the Granby Street location. It's gonna look a little different this time than it did last time. I'm gonna go ahead and found. So there's Granby Street. I'm just gonna pan through here so you can see pretty much everything's been torn out. There's just a couple exceptions. We'll get to those here. So I'm just gonna walk through exam rooms all down this side of the hospital. And we had a couple of things we uncovered with the demo. This column here, we didn't expect that to be there, so we're just gonna kind of build around that. And then there's some question as to this brick structure here, if there's a column inside of it. I believe that's going to come down, and we're going to just do a steel support there. So this part of the hospital, procedure rooms and dental will be on this side as well. As I look over here, this is basically going to be the treatment section in the center of the hospital. And we'll continue walking down. Really not much to look at today. And as we get down to this end, we're down to, basically this is where dental is going to be, about right in here. And then utility room, and then along this side is going to be break room and things like that. And then right in here is going to be the doctor's office. And then as we walk down, we have a hallway here. And basically most of this area up here is going to be reception. We'll have a couple of offices right over here. The comfort room is going to be over there. But most of this is going to be opened up for reception. And so we just ran into a couple of things. We'll need structural people out here on Tuesday to kind of figure out what we're gonna do. So this is a structural wall. We were anticipating this would be opened up, but since this is kind of a weight-bearing wall, kind of right near where the main entrance would be, we're gonna kind of have to decide how to handle that. And then as they were tearing things apart, this should have been supported structurally, this opening here, but it's not. So we kind of need structural people in here on Tuesday to kind of figure out how to get this demoed safely so we can open that up. And then we're back up to where we started. And then starting next week, as we look along this back wall here, they're actually going to be cutting out a bunch of window openings through the masonry on that side of the hospital. So hopefully the next walkthrough we do, we might not actually have windows in, of course, but we'll have some openings that will show a little bit more brightness to the area than what we have right now.